Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how we can fix the problem on Play Store when the app don't let you download applications, when the app is not functional, is broke. So the solution for that is go to settings, and here in settings you need to go to the option of app management, and here in app management you need to go to the app list. Here you got all the applications you got in your phone, and here in the browser you need to pick and you need to type in Playstore, and here in Google Play Store you need to go to storage and cache, and you need to pick in clear cache. So you here delete all the trash memory, and maybe can help to fix this problem. And after that you go to here in force stop. You can pick here in force stop too, and after that you reset the application and you enter again, and the most probably is the problem is fixed. So this is a process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.